Unit 2, Articles. Listening practice. Exercise 1. Listen to track 5 and repeat the reading out loud. I am Sam. I am 15. Today I am very happy. I am a student. I have an online class. I am in a small group with some students. I will study 3 times per week. I will study on Tuesday, on Wednesday, and on Thursday. I attend the English class at 7 a.m. I need to plan some things before the class. I need a notebook, a pen, a pencil, an eraser, a sharpener, and a computer. The class supplies I need are necessary for me. The English class is really important because it is the first one.